As winter retreats from Lamar, a new threat to the Druids invades the valley. A strong pack of 15 from Slough Creek to the north. They're already deep in Druid territory, intent on conquest. The Druids respond, but their strength has diminished. Now they are only 9. The Sloughs can hear the Druids' weakness and attack. Though outnumbered, the Druids set out to meet them. Tails waving high with confidence, the Sloughs smell victory. But the Druids are fighting for everything they own. The battle begins in confusion. The young Druids don't know what to do. Then the chief of the Sloughs takes charge, attacking the Druids' new leader. The Druids are on the run. The best they can do is escape with their lives. The once mighty Druid clan is scattered. Bound for hard times, they head into exile. The Sloughs begin to gather. They have done what no other pack has been able to do in almost 10 years. They've broken the Druids and taken Lamar, the greatest prize in Yellowstone. And they know it. Their victory celebration is loud and long.